Now, clearing your cache is a very simple process if you know what to do. I'm using Firefox here. You go up to the right-hand corner where you see the 3 bars, and you go down to Options. Now, there's a lot of stuff here, so you want to go to Privacy and Security. No, you can't have the mouse. And you go down to Cookies and Site Data. Alright, you know what? I'll tell you a joke. You ever hear the one about the photon? See, a photon walks into a bar, and bartender asks how he's traveling. Photon just responds saying he's traveling light. Where are you going? Not again. Alright, so clearing your cache is not that hard. You go up to the right hand corner, to the 3 bars, you go to Options, wait a second for it to load, a lot of stuff here. You go to Privacy and Security, scroll down until you're at Cookies and Site Data. You go to Clear Data, you click Clear, it'll give you another pop-up, just to make sure that you aren't making a mistake, and then you click Clear Now, and you're done.